Hey guys, today I'm with my friend Patricia and also Yandarga production here. Hello Patricia.
Hi.
So what's the theme?
Birch Village.
Okay, so let's go build. Ready? Get
Set,
set, go.
No cheating.
Yeah, no cheating. I'll do it like that. And like that. There. I'm almost done. This is like this. What the heck are you doing?
Teamwork.
Oh, teamwork. So I'll do the floor.
I'll do this. Mama.
Hindi ko. You okay there?
Yep. I'm doing the bottom.
I'm doing in the bottom checkered. It will be like that.
It's birch, wood, and planks.
What are you doing? It's checkered. Oh, the woods are wrong. It's all wrong. It has to be like that.
It's birch wood.
It is birch wood.
The roof will be leaves.
Oh. Okay, so what the heck did you do?
Birch.
Okay.
Huh? Just like,
A Christmas tree? What the heck?
it sounds like a Christmas tree. This is what villages.
So I'm gonna do this like
Wait,
that.
wait, I got something.
What?
Nothing. Definitely.
No pressure. It's so sick.
No. Wait,
You don't like to get in cage? Okay.
no. That's it.
I'll help you.
Okay, and that. Let's check out the house. And we'll be finished in no time.
Oh my god. Why does it need to be so hard?
It's birch. Don't forget to work.
You always forget the word, not me.
Let's build.
It's okay. Just do this. There.
Yep, let's go. The house has to be normal.
So I need the wood there and a fence. So we need some. I got it. Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Hey,
Excuse me.
hey.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll do something. The bottom like this.
Good. Hey, let's change this one. Because it's, old season.
I missed. Are you okay there?
Yep, just changing the roof. It's looking like a Christmas tree to me.
See, told you it's a Christmas tree. So I need this
Just missing a star in the top.
like that. And need to add this. So guys, I hope you like this. But yeah,
It's just cool. It's great too.
I'll do the wave.
Around. So it will be clean inside.
I'll do the wave.
No, it's okay. I will do it.
Okay, so I will put the villager there. Hey, excuse
Wait,
me.
wait. Let's just put the decorations inside before the villagers. Okay?
Okay,
Can you please help me?
sure.
Bed. Let's put bed. Bed there.
I need a sink.
Bed. Excuse me.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, so I need
And let's put painting. So, oh, it's great. Wait,
I got it. It's Halloween, right?
today?
Today's Halloween. You don't know?
Oh, today. Sorry, I missed. And let's put some Halloween decorations outside. I will just put it, okay?
Okay.
Let's put jack-o'-lantern. And
It's like that.
yeah,
That. It's like a lantern, huh? Kinda like
let's
it.
put the villager's chest. The furnace. Stone cutter. And the bookshelf.
It will be like this
And how
around.
about the receipts?
I will
Has to
make
be
it
blue.
like this. So it's kind of like pumpkin shape.
It has to look like a little bit of British.
There we have it.
And something's missing. The villager.
I'm gonna put the villager.
Okay. And I'll close it.
Villager spawn. Villager spawn. Good night, villager. Have a nice day.
Baboosh. Hey.
So I'll do. So what's next?
Hey. What is this?
A stack of pumpkins. Don't erase it. It's a Halloween theme, right?
Yeah. We have to do something to the other house. So it won't. So the villager won't be sad. Remember?
I need fences to the way.
And
You go with the people while I'm putting fences.
it's supposed to be blue. Okay.
Kiss me. Kiss me.
Oh, sorry.
So like that. Like that.
How about oh,
So this will be two houses apart. They're like neighbors. So you do this. I'll need this. This
I will
and
just make something.
this.
I got another idea, so it will light up the dark.
It's a lantern, right?
Supposed
I got an idea.
Yep.
Wait, it's wrong. Wait.
What are you doing?
Wait. Needs to be looking at the front. There. So this will be slab in there.
Wait a minute. I will just make some chicken ones in here, so it won't be too dark.
Oh, the staircase there, staircase there, staircase there, staircase there. Statue.
And let's put something. Let's put a pot in the village room. So it's not too long. And let's put a glowstone in the top. So light up stuff. Okay. So
Nice. It's pretty.
thank you. Wow. Halloween.
So just need some cobwebs. Cobwebs. There's a lot of pressure.
What is this?
It's like a graveyard with a pumpkin in it.
Oh. I thought that it was going to be something more scary. What?
Okay, so YouTube, this will be the end of the video. So I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Baboosh.